Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on the Light Life channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a disappearing staircase. Now this build is really easy and really fast, and it would be a really cool build to impress your friends. You could put it in your house, or you could maybe put it in mine. You know, there's a lot of things you could do with it. So first we're gonna get some cobblestone. So type in cobblestone, or you can find it. And then you also want to get the cobblestone stairs too. And then you're going to want to get a sticky piston. And then you're going to get some redstone. And then the last thing you're going to want is a lever or a button. I choose to use a lever though. You guys can do whatever you want. So guys, I'm pretty sure this only works on mobile. It doesn't work on PC, and I haven't tested it on Xbox or PlayStation or Switch yet, so I don't know about those. But it for sure does work on mobile. So the first thing you're going to want to do is build piston blocks kind of like this, in this shape. Now you can make it really long and you can keep going, or you can make it shorter, but I'm just going to make it about this long. So then you're going to want to add redstone to the top of all of them. And then you're going to add a little bit at the bottom. And then you're going to add a cobblestone block in front of that. And then you're going to add stairs in front of all the pistons. Now you're going to add one more cobblestone block right there. And you're going to add a lever right there. And then you're going to build the cobblestone blocks as high as your staircase goes. Okay guys, now once that's all finished, you can press the lever and there we go. That is your disappearing staircase. So guys, like I said, you can make this in your mansion or in your house you make in Minecraft. You can put this in a mine, or you can just build it for fun and show your friends. I think this is really cool, and it's really fast and really easy. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace out.